Last summer, I went on holiday to India with my two good friends, Mark and Tony. It's a trip I'll never forget. We got a good deal because it was very close to the rainy season. We arrived early in the morning and checked into our hotel. We were very excited and couldn't wait to do lots of activities. On the first day, we decided to go on an elephant ride, and it was great riding on the back of such a big animal. Suddenly, it started raining heavily. It was pouring down in seconds. The elephant got scared, either that or it wanted to get out of the rain quickly, and it lifted up its front legs and threw me off its back. I hit the ground really hard, and I hurt my arm quite badly. Mark and Tony took me to hospital, and the doctors gave me an X-ray. They discovered that I broke my arm, and they told me to wear a cast, and that I wouldn't be able to use it for 6 weeks. I was very upset and disappointed because I wasn't able to do anything else all holiday.